Basic proportionality theorem. Example: in triangle ABC, D parallel to BC. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. If DB is equal to 5.4 cm, AD is equal to 1.8 cm, EC is equal to 7.2 cm, then find A. We have to find A. Solution: in triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. Reason is given. We have to use basic proportionality theorem. How to use basic proportionality theorem? D is parallel to BC. Take ratio at point D, AD upon DB is equal to other ratio at point E, AE upon EC. Therefore, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Reason is BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Therefore, put value 1.8, value of AD is 1.8 upon DB is equal to value of DB is 5.4 is equal to AE upon value of EC is 7.2. We have to find value of AE. Therefore, by cross multiplication, 1.8 multiplied by 7.2 upon 5.4. Here is division. 1.8 is 1.8, 1.3 is 5.4, 3 1 is 3, 3 2.4 is 7.2. Therefore, A is equal to 2.4 cm is answer.